We'll guide you through how to download and install Modpacks for Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Modpacks are super cool as it can completely change the experience of Minecraft. You may have one in mind, or you may want to go and browse them. For example, we've got Pixelmon, RLcraft, many other popular packs as well, so let's go and get started. First of all, come and quit Minecraft. The best way I found of going and doing this is by using an app. So go and open up a web browser like so, and what you want to do is go and search for CurseForge like so. Now you want to come to the site CurseForge.com. Just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They should be your go-to place for a Minecraft server. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So I'll go and link them down below so you can easily go and check them out. They've got so many awesome features, for example, one-click install Modpacks, making it super easy to play with Modpacks with your friends, which is perfect for this video. After you've gone and installed a Modpack, your server will be protected with DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, and much more. So to continue with the video, go to the top right and go and click on Get CurseForge app. Then come over to the left here and you can go and click on Download Standalone like so. It will then go and download the installer, and what you need to do is go and click on it like so. Now let's go through the installer. You can choose your language and then we can click on next. You can see the installation folder. Make sure you accept the terms of use and privacy policy. I've read them both and I do, and you do need to be 18 years old. Then you can go and click on accept and install if you do, and it will now go and start. It shouldn't take too long. It's super important to note that for this to work, you need to have Minecraft already installed on your computer. If you don't, it won't work. So come over to the left and Minecraft should appear here. If it doesn't, click on the plus where it says add a game, and you can scan your computer or manually add it. As I said, Minecraft has to be installed. So as you can see, I've got quite a few here as I've gone and installed them before, but what you can do is go and click on browse at the top. It should already be filtered to Modpacks and you can start scrolling through here and go and seeing all the different ones. So go and find one you want. For example here, I could get all the mods 9. You can go and click on it. Then you can go over to the right and click on install. It's now going to go and start the process. When it's finished, you can then go and click on it like so. And you can go over to the right and click on play, and it will then go and start. First of all, the Minecraft launcher will open and you should go and see all the mod 9 is selected as the profile, and you can then click play, confirm that you're going to be playing a modified version of Minecraft. Here we are, it's now loaded, so we can now go and start playing. Let's go and click on single player and I'll go and create a world. Here we are playing the mod pack. Of course, the mod pack you're playing with may be very different, but you still go and know how you can go and do it now. And of course, there are many other mod packs you can go and play with as well. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and checking out the channel. We've already got a ton on the channel you can check out, and also more to come. So make sure you stay up to date. And if you're in need of a Minecraft server so you can play Modpacks with your friends online, then definitely go and check out Apex. A big thanks to them for sponsoring the video.